Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dwight here with Retro Crypto. Today is February the 11th at 6:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the good old US of A. All right, guys, this video is going to be all about Cardano. I love Cardano, and I haven't done enough videos on it. I kind of feel like, like you had that best friend that, you found another new friend. So now you're all about that friend, but you're like, I still love this guy. So I'm gonna give Cardano the respect that is due. I've been a fan of Cardano for a very long time, more than most people. I would say I could date back my Cardano bro love, whatever you call that, whatever you, that bro relationship. It goes back to about 3.5 years ago, maybe almost four, and my Twitter can prove it because I remember the guys that's been in Cardano for a while. You remember you used to be able to get on Twitter, you'd be talking directly with Charles Hoskinson. Now he's way too big for that, but it was really cool while it lasted. But anyway, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. Please remember that, okay? Any financial decisions you make on your own. And it's essential that you do your own research. All right. All right, guys. So right now, oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I need subscribers. I need more. I have 643 subscribers. Thank you to each and every one of you guys. But I need more, guys. I'm trying to get to 1,000. So please hit subscribe. It only takes a second. Help a brother out. It takes 1 second to subscribe. Hit a like button. Some of the littlest things that you do in life affects people so much, and it would be a blessing on me. So, that's what I had to say. All right, here's Crypto Bubbles, guys. Real cool site here. I like playing around with it. Like remember that song Ludacris back in the day. If you're old enough, move. Try not to curse. Get out the way. This is what this reminds me of. If you don't know that song, it's all good. Uh, let's see here. Cardano's down 3.7% today. Hex is down. I don't think Hex is down. Oh, Hex is not down. Okay, cool. All right, so let's jump. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and take a peek here at the charts here for Cardano. Cardano right now, the 20-day moving average looks like it's dipping down. Oof, for the crossover to 200-day moving average, which I believe that's called a death cross, which is not good. It's very bad. But I have faith in Cardano, and I know it's going to take off eventually. But it does suck. So when this purple line here crosses over this red line, that's bad. 200-day moving average has just crossed over the 20-day moving average. Yeah. Now we have the 50-day moving average lagging behind the 200. Looks like the 50-day moving average might be moving up though, so we'll see what happens. 100 days all the way down here. Has RSI currently? Sorry, RSI is currently it's in a neutral territory, so it's not oversold or overbought. And down here, you'll see that there is definitely a bearish sentiment right now, according to the MACD. So it's a bit of a pullback. So what do I see right now? Buying opportunity. Why? Because I love Cardano. I believe in the long term. I buy $20 of Cardano every day. Every day, I dollar cost average into Cardano. Now, $20 does not sound a lot, but do $20 times 300. I'm sorry, $20 times 30, much less 356. It really adds up. All right. All right, let's jump back here. Okay. This is now Cardano's been on a downward trend forever now since September. Well, I guess rough a little bit before the smart contracts came out, and it's been on a downward trend. Support line is a very strong support line down here at roughly 99 cents. So that's the one good thing, I guess. Has a really good strong support line there. The MACD just kind of is really tight. I hate it when it's tightly wound like this, but it's like literally hugging. So the MACD doesn't have too much to show us really, other than that it is still in a bearish sentiment as of like today, right now. All right, the Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band has it slightly on the no, not slightly. It is on the undersold, underbought, kind of oversold. You know what I mean? It's on the bottom. It's more selling going on than buying. So, yeah, Not too much I can make you really excited about Cardano by looking at the charts, but what I can do is make you excited about the future of Cardano. Do not buy into the FUD, guys. Charles Hoskinson at the helm of the project. The project's going to the moon, guys. There's no question about it. Anybody who knows something about cryptocurrency that can look through all the bullcrap knows that Cardano's going to the moon, and they're going to be around for the long haul. Now, there's other projects out there I've been hearing good things about, like Avalanche. That's fine. There's more room. There's plenty of room for everybody, guys. There's so much. It's like looking at all the wireless networks of the world. There's plenty of space, guys. People keep saying the one cryptocurrency. How many countries are there in the world? Now, if I'm not mistaken, up to this point, the vast majority of them all have their own currency, right? Now, I mean, you have scenarios where, like, you have the European Union, but with EU, but for the most part, most countries have their own currency. So there's a ton of room out there for cryptocurrencies, guys. Don't buy into that. That doesn't make any sense. But to consolidate it does make sense, and to remove the fiat currencies from the world makes sense. Take the control from governments. All right. Now, MuesliSwap. I got this one right, guys. Right. I have to say it just to get it off my chest. It makes me feel good to say it, but I got this one right. MuesliSwap is a real player. I'm so glad I found them back in December. Are they the most user-friendly DEX / exchange? And you could debate that. There's some things about it I think it's a little hokey. But with that said, I got this one right. I like MuesliSwap. I love you. I have no problems using it. And actually, I give them my blessing. You know what I mean? But yeah, MuesliSwap's pretty cool, guys. Now, the reason I'm showing you this, I'm going to show you this here. I do have an issue, though, right now. It's not MuesliSwap's fault or SundaeSwap, but there's a lot of tokens in here that I want to get, and I want to start tracking. Now, right now, the only thing I can do to track the price of these tokens is what I'll do. Let's say, Clap. I'm buying Clap. I'm going to buy Clap. It's going for 0.0357 on SundaeSwap. So then I'll have to go back to MuesliSwap, and then I'll look for Clap. Please be here, Clap. Don't make me look like a dummy. And then it's going for 0.0371. See, there's no tracking sites tracking all these Cardano projects yet, even though they're real projects and they're legit. They're not scams or anything. And it's really frustrating to me. I think like World Mobile Token is being tracked finally, but I'm like, why is everybody dragging their feet on these? Why are they dragging their feet on these real projects? And then the fake stuff seems like they get on there right away. It makes no sense. And the only thing I can have to go with is conspiracy theory. And conspiracy theories are right sometimes, and they're wrong. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but I feel like I'm right. All right. Now, what's my game plan for Cardano? All right. A while back, I talked about Ray Network, right? All right. So I invested in SundaeSwap. I think they have one more epoch left, maybe two. It either has one or two more epochs left with SundaeSwap. Regardless, by next week, SundaeSwap should be done or pretty much complete. I've already moved my staking pools away because it takes, I believe, 5 epochs before you roll into the next till your changes take place. They put like a little buffer zone in there. I am going to go back into, I'm staking in Ray Network, all right? I did great staking in Ray Network. In Ray Network, you get your ADA rewards, and you get Ray tokens on top of it. And unlike SundaeSwap, they pay them out right away if you want them right away. I've been very disappointed with SundaeSwap's ISO. Now, I forgot how long this ISO is going to run. I should have researched that before I hopped on here, but it is an extended period of time. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to do it real quick. It's not hard, but the sites could be done a little bit user-friendly. So what you do is you go to X-Ray Token. Then you go to... Hold on, let's start over, because this is not where I wanted to start. Let's start Ray Network. All right, so you're going to Ray Network, go to Ecosystem, Ray Stake, and then it's going to jump you right over here. And you can see, then you'll go to Track and Withdraw. And right here, all you have to do is you drop your address right in here. You drop your address in, and it'll show you your rewards that you've earned. Then you'll drop down here, and you'll follow these instructions here to receive those rewards. It's easy as that. All you got to do is stake to Ray Network. Now that I've done that, what I'm going to do is these Ray tokens that I'm going to earn, because I already got a bunch of them, got plenty. I don't need any more. I'm going to start taking these Ray tokens, and I know Ray's in here. Where are you at, Ray? Hello, Ray. Where are you at? There you go. Ray tokens there. Oh, wow, they've actually gone up. So they're up 0.1638. So I'm going to start swapping out these Ray tokens for other projects because there's a bunch of them I want to own some of. Liquid, I feel, is a bit high. It may be priced in right, but it's a bit high. I need to look at the overall market cap and how many of those are floating around, all that good stuff. But there, we're a mobile token, Paviat, Meld, ADAX already own, Wi-Fi. They just did an agreement where we're a mobile token. Milk is from MuesliSwap. Clap, I want to get. They just did something the other week. A-Shib, ADA. There's just a bunch of different things in here. Actually, I got A-Shib on something else. I'll show you how I got that for like next to nothing. But anyway, yeah, that's my gaming plan right now. How I'm going to stake, earn ADA, and receive Ray Network tokens and buy with more of the into the Cardano projects with that. I don't want to dive in. They got me back in July. I brought a bunch of crap that wasn't even on the Cardano blockchain yet. And guess where that stuff is still sitting? On the Ethereum blockchain. Kind of frustrating. I can name off a bunch of projects, but we ain't going to talk about it. No, I ain't going to do it. All right. Now, with that said, that's what I'm doing with that. Drip drops. Drip drops is a real deal, guys. Drip drops is going to be doing the drops for SundaeSwap. So drip drops is a real deal. So I have been taking part in this, and it's really easy steps to do it. You can just go to it. It explains how to do it. You basically you send over 5 Cardano tokens and like a 0.17 transaction fee, and then you can select 10 of these, and then it'll send them to you. And the cool thing about it is the drops, which it didn't come up right now because it's probably towards end of the thing, but like I get drops token every time. I do it right away. And as they run out, they come off of this chart. But I keep getting the drops tokens, which is worth 5 ADA right off the bat. And I just keep stockpiling on different stuff. I'm starting to think that Hosky might carry a little bit of weight in the future. I hate to admit it. I know it's going to make some people mad out there. It's not even in here. But I'm buying Hosky. Is it going to ever turn out to anything? I don't know. But I did a Twitter poll, and my response I was shocked. So I'm not going to get a ton of it or nothing, but I'm going to get some Hosky coin and just sit on it for the long term. This is a meme coin, but sometimes it's about the first, because Doge, there's nothing special about Dogecoin, guys, and do not fool yourself. It was just the first that people took to. So Cardano's maybe the Hosky coin, and I suspect it's going to be. But we'll have to see what happens there. But Drip Drop's just cool, and you can really stack up on tokens. And they don't have a lot of really good ones on here. There are some that are hidden in the mix. Like, which one did I was like, wow, that's actually pretty cool. Give me 2 seconds. Maybe this one. Let's see here. Nope, that's a dumb one. Well, I don't know if it's dumb or not. I was not impressed by that one. Give me 2 seconds, because I noticed that they're getting brought up faster and faster, so it's actually trickier just to hop in here and show some. Here, we'll show you these Borgs. I know that these Borgs are interesting. So here's a Borgs project. I mean, you look at it once, it's a no-brainer, and you're buying into this for like next to nothing. All right? And our goal is just to keep stocking up on stuff. Now, here's a quick article on Cardano that caught my eye today and makes you wonder. All right. After the crypto market crash, can Cardano reach $25 by 2025? Now, this is from the Motley Fool. So if you ever delved into the stock market world, you know the name. Cryptocurrency market has plunged roughly 40% since reaching a high in early November, shedding 1.2 trillion in less than 3 months. But Cardano has been hit even harder. The price of ADA coin has fallen about 60% from its all-time high. Even so, it still ranks as the sixth most valuable cryptocurrency with a market cap of almost 40 billion. More importantly, Cardano's evidence-based approach to blockchain development has won the project a loyal fan base, and many enthusiasts see significant upsides after the recent sell-off. In fact, some investors are calling for ADA to hit $25 by 2025, a forecast that implies a 2,200% gain from its current price. Is that realistic? And I'm just going to drop down here. First and foremost, the implementation of Hydra must be successful. If Cardano can distinguish itself in terms of scalability, more developers would be incentivized to learn Plutus. Okay, Plutus is the language, the software language that Cardano's in, and Solidity is the language that Ethereum. Problem is, everybody knows Solidity. Everybody. Only a few people know Plutus. And what it reminds me of is Microsoft. Everybody knows Microsoft. And then Mac. But everybody knows Mac is better. So it's kind of weird. All right. The programming language used to create smart contracts on Cardano. At that point, those developers who need to build an engaging ecosystem of dApps and DeFi products, and those products would have to go viral with consumers and investors. Assuming that all of those stars align, demand for ADA token could drive its price to $25. However, even if that doesn't happen, Cardano is an interesting blockchain project with a lot of potential, and this cryptocurrency could still be a rewarding long-term investment. I'm all in on Cardano, guys. Well, I'm never all in on anything because I believe in diversification, but my heart is all in with Cardano. All right, guys. Also, before I wrap up, your Rory wallet, I don't like it. I don't use it no more. I use it made a little bit out of convenience, but I don't like it. And I wouldn't suggest anybody to use it. It drops too much. I don't feel comfortable with it. So I prefer anybody I talk to now, I'd say go ADA Lite or NAMI wallet. And that's just my personal opinion. All right. But that's it for this video, guys. You have any questions, comments, statements, whatever, anything positive, please leave it. It helps out the channel. George Crack. Also subscribe, hit that like button. But until next time, stay blessed, stay happy, and most of all, stay profitable. All right, guys. Peace out.